across society. As AI technology continues to develop, its impact on businesses is becoming more apparent. One of the key areas where AI is making a significant impact is in the field of marketing. With the ability to analyze vast amounts of data, AI-powered marketing tools are enabling businesses to better understand their customers, create more personalized campaigns, and ultimately drive more sales. One of the key advantages of AI-powered marketing is its ability to analyze customer data in real time, allowing businesses to respond to changing customer needs and preferences quickly. This can help businesses create more effective marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience. AI is also being used to personalize marketing messages, creating campaigns that are tailored to individual customers based on their past behavior and preferences. This can lead to higher engagement and conversion rates, as customers are more likely to respond to messages that are relevant and personalized to their interests. In addition to these benefits, AI is also helping businesses automate many of the repetitive and time-consuming tasks associated with marketing, such as data entry and analysis. This frees up marketers to focus on more strategic tasks, such as developing creative campaigns and building relationships with customers. Despite these advantages, there are also concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI-powered marketing. For example, there is a risk that AI-powered algorithms could be used to create targeted ads that are discriminatory or manipulative. To address these concerns, it is important to ensure that AI-powered marketing tools are developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. This includes implementing robust privacy and security measures, ensuring that algorithms are transparent and accountable, and taking steps to prevent discrimination and manipulation. In conclusion, AI is having a significant impact on the world of marketing, providing businesses with new ways to analyze data, personalize messages, and automate tasks. While there are concerns about the potential negative impacts of AI, these can be addressed through responsible and ethical use of the technology. As AI continues to evolve, it will undoubtedly play an increasingly important role in the world of marketing and business more broadly. Another area where AI is making an impact in the business world is in the field of customer service. AI-powered chatbots are becoming increasingly common, providing customers with fast and efficient support, 24 hours a day. These chatbots are able to understand natural language, recognize customer intent, and provide personalized recommendations, all without the need for human intervention. AI is also being used to improve supply chain management, allowing businesses to optimize their inventory levels, streamline logistics, and reduce waste. By analyzing data on customer demand, market trends, and production capacity, AI-powered supply chain management tools can help businesses make more informed decisions, reducing costs and improving efficiency. In the financial industry, AI is being used to identify patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, helping to detect fraud and prevent financial crimes. AI-powered systems are also being used to analyze credit risk, improving the accuracy of credit scoring and reducing the risk of default. Finally, AI is also being used to improve the hiring process, with tools that can analyze resumes, conduct initial interviews, and even predict which candidates are most likely to succeed in a particular role. While AI is still in its early stages of development, it is clear that the technology has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of business. By automating routine tasks, analyzing vast amounts of data, and providing personalized recommendations, I can help businesses become more efficient, effective, and competitive.